everyone, this is Sherry, Practical Stitches, and here I am today with, I have some fabric to show you, and here I go saying "and" all the time. This is a project I'm working on right now, which I am filming the parts of it to show you how I'm going to make it. And this is Remy. I guess you can see her. Are you going to say hello to everybody? Turn around. Say hi. No? She's usually always here, and she seems to like this fabric that she's laying on. So she's covering it in her cat hair. I guess you can't see her right now, can you? Yes, you can. Anyway, work has been stressful lately, so life is getting in the way of me getting things done. So, my sewing machine. I said earlier that my buttonhole isn't working, so I finally get a hold of Bernina, and they figured that a technician needs to look at it. So yes, so it's sent away today. I delivered it last night, so I had to go to the fabric store, Fabricville, and of course they are bringing in all their spring fabrics and marking down all their winter ones. So of course I got some gift cards for Christmas and I spent them. So I guess I'm going to show you a few of the things I got in the couple of trips that I've been in. So I don't know if the cat is going to let me show you what she's laying on, but anyway. So I did pick up some lace, and I didn't buy very much. I just thought it was neat because it wasn't flowers, and it's a little bit stretchy. You don't have your cat hair on this yet, do you? No. So I thought that would be neat for an overlay. I think I only got 2 meters, and it was $3. And I bought this. It's a knit. It has a weave in it. Oh, you want to get on that? No. And I was hoping to make this. I already made the pants, actually. What is it? Butterick 6494. So I did make the pants, but I made them out of a fleece, like just as a muslin, because I seem to have problems with pants fitting me. Anyway, I was hoping to make those out of some black to go with the, and I kind of liked, well, I like both versions, but the blue one here, but I like this neckline. So I think, I can't get my hand to go the way I want it to. I think I like this neckline instead of, well, I like this one too, but it shouldn't be too hard to make that cut that. I'm gonna try and put this neckline on this, but I'm probably gonna make it a little shorter. Just make a long sweater. But I do like the other version right here. Anyway, so I get that. And I was kind of hoping to have this made already. But it didn't happen yet. This is washed, and I'm trying to keep the cat off it. So that is ready to go. And then the stuff the cat's laying on, still laying on it, it's just fleece. It says Fabricville on it. And it's a stripe. It has brown, black, gray in it. And it's not really thick. But I really like that. And it reminds me of like a burn jacket. Hope I'm talking loud enough. What am I looking for? To show you inspiration photo. Hopefully this will show up. There you go. I think this is made out of wool. Yeah, it is. This is wool, but I thought might be able to get some sort of, well, it'd just be like a jacket out of this. Like a burn jacket. And then I didn't pay very much for any of these. And I got some thread. And I thought this was really pretty. It's very pretty blue. This is like a crepe or something. And it has very pretty blue in it, which is supposed to be the color of the year. So I'm finding it easier if I find inspiration photos. So I kind of like that. It's very simple. I don't believe I have a pattern for this, but I'm thinking I should be able to come up with one. And I thought this was cute top, very simple and plain with the... So I have lots of ideas, but whether I find the time to get it all done or not. And this I got is some lace, and I only bought a meter. And it doesn't have flowers in it. And it's a knit. Stretchy. So yeah, hopefully, I probably should have got a little more because I wanted to make a raglan shirt with the sleeves lace. I don't know. This is softer than the other stuff. I think this will work better for what I wanted. So hopefully should be enough for that. Just to add a detail to a t-shirt is what I was thinking. So that was that. And I bought just some plain black fleece to hopefully maybe go with the stripe fleece that I had. And then this is very exciting one that I got here. This is supposed to be fabric for jeggings. I don't know what that word is, jeggings, but leggings. But I think I don't know, it just feels like the same thickness as a Ponte. I think it was called a winter knit. Anyway, this was, it's black on one side, and then this is the right side. It's like a wood grain. It's just like a gray and black. It reminds me of like a wood grain. So there's that. Cat's still here, but you can't see her very good. Aren't you? Yeah. I'm quite interested in what's going on. And here's the other one. So I'll try and lay it out so you can see. There's that one. And then there's this one. Am I disturbing you? It's a it's exactly the same fabric, just a different, oh, you can't see. I'm holding it. So, yeah. There we go. Found an end. So this was $4 a meter, and I think it's regular 20-some dollars a meter, or 19 or something like that. So I thought those would look nice together. Maybe not. And I thought it would make a nice man's hoodie. So hopefully, and plus I get enough to make more than one, so I was thinking I could make a couple different ones, because I had bought that Berta pattern a while ago and I never had any fabric to make it out of, and I think that this would be nice and sturdy for a hoodie. Could make a couple different ones. Maybe this one's not good for a man's. Well, I don't know why not. I was thinking they'd go good together, but on camera it doesn't look like they do. But they might anyway. So yeah, I bought more fabric. And it is -18 outside. It is cold. And I'm out of the shot now. There. It's -18 out. It's cold. I gotta go plug my truck in, I forgot. Yes, I think this is, yes, I'm excited about making this. And I have another pattern that I've made quite a few times actually, which will look good with this. And I wanted to try that Berta pattern. I just don't know if the sizes are right on it. So yeah. So that is all that I am up to. And I said, after I tidied up my sewing room, I said, I don't need any more fabric. Seriously? I was not thinking. But this was such a good deal. It was $4. I think that little piece of lace was only $2. So, anyway. And hopefully my sewing machine comes back all fixed. I miss it already, even though I haven't been sewing a lot besides making those pants, and I used some of the stitches. I'm actually wearing the pants. I don't really want to show you because they're ugly, I made them out of fleece, and they're burgundy. And on the leg, which I don't know if I can show you or not, this doesn't even match. These are my comfy clothes I wear. I had to piece in the leg, and I'm all covered in cat hair because I didn't have enough fabric. Anyway, that was that. So, and now the cat is making a home again. Well, it was nice checking in, and hopefully I will have something more to show you soon. I've been pretty slow in the sewing department lately. Oh, and these pants are super warm, made out of fleece. They are so cozy and comfortable to wear. I know they're not pretty, but oh, so comfortable. They're like pajama pants, basically. So, and they fit pretty good. I think they could have been a little bit longer in the back and then shorter in the front at the waist. So that's something I have to learn to figure out. So I thought I'd just try and make them and see what they were like. But I am looking forward to making this into something too, because this be nice. And it might even be make a nice one of these with the laced up, what do you call that, tunic, I guess. Anyway, that's all from me, and I hope everyone is well, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye.